Want to see a type of animated video that's quietly going viral? Imagine making videos that get millions of views while almost no one else is doing it, and seeing how creators are turning that attention into income. Channels using this style are growing fast, and the niche is still new, which means there's a big chance for anyone to start. The secret? These videos don't use flashy tricks or crazy edits. Instead, they show simple, relatable moments, someone cooking alone, a quiet night at home, or the joy of coming back to family. Each scene looks beautiful and uses soft sounds that make people feel connected. You're not just telling a story, you're letting viewers experience it. The best part? You don't need expensive gear or special skills. With AI, you can make these Ghibli-style animated videos in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to plan your story, create the animation, and add sounds that keep people watching so you can start making your own videos in this trending niche. Before we start, show some love in the comments. Drop a fire emoji if you enjoyed this. Alright, let's get started. First, I'll show you an example of a channel that is already working in this niche and is fully monetized. This will help you clearly understand the type of content that performs well. Now, let's watch one of their videos and break it down. In this video, you can see a family traveling in a van with a vintage camper trailer attached. The weather is rainy, and it looks like they're heading out for a camping trip. The scenes show how the family enjoys their journey, cooking meals inside the vintage camper, spending time together, and genuinely enjoying the moment. Everything feels warm, natural, and happy. As the video continues, you'll also notice that they face small challenges along the way, such as minor difficulties during the trip. However, they calmly deal with these problems and move forward. This mix of cozy moments, real-life struggles, and simple storytelling is exactly what makes this type of content engaging and relatable for viewers. Step number 1. To make things super easy for you, I've already prepared a Google Doc for this. Inside, you'll find the complete story prompt along with all the other prompts we'll use to create this video step by step. This way, you don't have to think from scratch or worry about missing anything. You can simply follow along and use the same prompts. The link to this Google Doc is available in the video description. The first step is to open ChatGPT. Once it's open, go to the Google Docs file and copy the first prompt. After copying the prompt, paste it into the ChatGPT prompt box and click Generate. Within seconds, ChatGPT will automatically create a complete story based on that prompt. Now, go back to the Google Docs file and copy the second prompt. Paste it into the ChatGPT prompt box. This time, ChatGPT will generate a consistent character prompt, which we'll use later in the video to keep the characters the same throughout the story. Next, return to the Google Docs file again and copy the third prompt. After pasting it into the ChatGPT prompt box, click Generate. Now, ChatGPT will start writing image prompts based on the story. For this tutorial, I asked ChatGPT to create 50 image prompts, but you can easily increase or decrease this number depending on the length and needs of your story. Step number 2. Now, in step 2, open Whisk AI. Once it's open, go to the ChatGPT tab and scroll to the character prompts. Copy the first character prompt and paste it into the Whisk AI prompt box. Next, on the left-hand side, you'll find the Style section. Simply type Ghibli style and click Generate. Wait a few seconds for the style to load, then click Generate again. You'll now see that your character image is ready. Repeat the same process to generate images for the second and third characters. Once all the character images are created, download them. After that, in Whisk AI, go to the subject option on the left-hand side and upload all 3 character images you downloaded. Make sure all of them are tick-marked so Whisk AI recognizes them properly. Now, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt. Paste it into the Whisk AI prompt box and click Generate. Then copy the second image prompt and repeat the same process. Continue doing this for all the image prompts until every prompt is converted into an image. As you can see, this is how I've generated all the images for the video. Step number 3. Now let's move on to the next step and open Google Flow. Once it's open, go to the Upload section and select Frame to Video. After that, upload one of the images you created earlier using Whisk AI. Next, go back to Whisk AI, find the relevant prompt used for that image, copy it, and paste it into the prompt box in Flow AI. Don't forget to add this short line at the end of the prompt. No music, only ASMR. This is important for the final video output. Now, click Generate. Flow AI will start creating the video from the image. While the video is generating, you can upload the next image. Again, copy the relevant prompt from Whisk AI, paste it into the Flow AI prompt box, and add the same line. No music, only ASMR. Click Generate once more. Repeat this process for all the images. As you can see here, I've converted every image into a video. Make sure you don't skip any images and convert all of them into video clips for a complete result. Step number 4. Now, open CapCut and import all the video clips you created using VO3. Once the clips are imported, start arranging the video clips in the correct story sequence. Begin with the arrival scene, then move on to setting up the camp, and continue following the flow of the story exactly as planned. Drag each clip onto the timeline one by one, making sure every scene connects smoothly and clearly tells the story. The goal here is to create natural transitions that help viewers easily follow the narrative. After all the clips are arranged, also add your background music and drag it onto the timeline. Once you've added the background music, select all the clips on the timeline and turn them into a compound clip. After that, slightly increase the zoom level until the VO3 logo is no longer visible on the screen. Now, watch the entire video carefully from start to finish and make any small adjustments if needed, such as refining the timing or rearranging a few clips. When everything looks clean and polished, export the video in 4K resolution, and your video will be ready to publish. And that's it. This is how you can turn a simple idea into a complete video using free AI tools. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and try it yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.